What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is a update video for BUSD machine version 2. I'm going to go ahead and let you know this right now. I do have a link, a referral code in the description below if you want to support the channel as well as invest in this project. It is completely up to you. You don't have to use a referral code to invest in the project. It just allows me to get a kickback from the protocol if you want to help support the channel. And currently I've gotten 12 referrals. Some of these, I want to say 7 of them have been direct referrals, and then the others were referrals from their referrals. So again, I really appreciate all the support. This helps out a lot. You guys do not know how much this helps me. So before we get into it, again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me documenting my road to financial freedom and the bumps and bruises along the way. Please do your own research and make the best choices for your financial future. All right, so as you can see here, I was able to finally claim an airdrop, and you can see I have 157 BMT tokens. 100 of those tokens came from the airdrop. So this is how it works. Once you get your first 5 referrals and everything else is straight, where before it was 100 BUSD staked, 7 days since last claim. I had 6 referrals at the time. I didn't claim it because I want to make a video about claiming it. What happened was when I claimed it, it reset everything, including that extra referral that I had. When I claimed it, it went away. Even though I still have that 6, that it is basically a part of the 12 total that I have so far. It just doesn't go, it doesn't roll over into the next airdrop session. So keep that in mind. If you get 5 referrals, go ahead and claim it right away. Do not wait. Don't think that those extra referrals are going to roll over to your second one. So I was able to claim that. Now I'm currently up to 3, I want to say it's 2, still 2 tokens a day. And for this, it's, let me pull out my calculator and then we can go into how to take a profit from this thing. So the calculator here, it's 4% for this, so it's 157 times 0.04. That's 6.28 tokens per day from the 157, and that's just going to keep increasing as I keep compounding this back into it. Now, let me go into a comment that I had from a subscriber. This is for you guys too. Like, this is some really good information. Damian Blake said, a good idea is to stake your mint/harvest rewards Monday through Friday. Then on the weekend, sell your rewards. It'll start slow, but you will get your return on investment depending on how early you got in. He got in at 33 cents. I got in at 55 cents, I want to say. So that's a good idea. So what he's talking about is, as you mint rewards Monday through Friday, you're going to claim it. You're going to put it over here into your staked amount. Anything that you mint, anything that this staked amount produces, you're going to harvest it and then put it right back in. Not unstake. You're not unstaking. You're just going to harvest rewards, claim rewards, and stake them Monday through Friday. And then on the weekend, you sell it. So on the weekend, let's say Saturday and Sunday, or Friday and Saturday, Sunday, depending on how you see the weekend. I see the weekend as Saturday and Sunday. I don't include Friday with it. So the way I would do this is, or what he's talking about is, the next time you get enough rewards for that day, for Saturday, you come over here and then you just sell them. And as you sell them, whatever the price is, you know, that you can get a nice little return. And you're going to do this every week until, you know, you get your initial return on your investment, your initial $100 or $200 or whatever you put in it. What I plan on doing is possibly even getting out of this entirely, not entirely, but getting out of this when the time comes. Right now, I'm kind of debating on what's going to happen with this 40,000 token sell limit, because every day we're getting closer and closer to having this, where I want to say yesterday it was at 17,000 tokens that was sold that day before it reset. And we're not even at the halfway amount for the 40,000 tokens. And you can currently see we have 1,200,000 in here. Wait, is that 1 million? 100,000, 2,000, 100,000. Yeah, 1 million. 1,261,000 BUSD staked in the protocol. So I think if this hits 2 million at one point, then that's when everyone will start selling and this 40,000 limit will be hit. So we'll have to see if the developers actually increase this limit once that does happen. Now for me, I want to say when this thing hits 200 BMT tokens, which here I'll start doing that now. When this thing hits 200 BMT tokens, what I want to do is I want to start actually selling the rewards that I get from it. And if we start getting to that limit, that 40,000 limit, then I'm just going to unstake my entire balance and then just sell the whole thing and start over again. At least that way I can get not only my initial investment back quickly, but also take a big profit with me. Okay, now I'm going to harvest. I need to be keeping track of how much gas I'm spending too. If anyone knows in the comments below, can you please let me know if there is a site that actually calculates your total amount of gas spent on a specific protocol? I know they have one for Ethereum, but I'm not sure about Avalanche and BUSD. I would love to know how much gas I spent total so far, or at least figure out how to calculate that. All right, so now that we have that, that's 12 BMT tokens currently. I'm gonna hit max, I'm gonna hit stake, so that way I can increase my current staked BMT and start getting 4% off of that. See, that's another gas fee, 0.0012. All right, so that is currently staked at 169.49. So let's calculate that. 169.49 times 0.04. That's 6.7796 tokens that I'll be getting from this, plus another 2 tokens from here. That's 8 tokens per day currently, or 8.7796 tokens per day currently. Now, I do want to tell you guys about another project that I'm in. This is another fork of BUSD Machine version 2, not version 1, and that is called Piggy Bank Machine. Currently is sitting at 0.38 cents. I actually got in on this at 0.33 cents. You can see here it's $100 that I put in. Currently the minimum is 30 bucks. So this is a extremely new project. It released today and I want to let you guys know about it. Also, I have a reference code to this as well in the description below. What I'm going to be doing with this, every time I get a $100 referral, or when it adds up to $100, I will give $100 to my friend who's in need. I have her Piggy staked currently. I'm trying to teach her how to use this thing, so I don't want this to go to waste right now. I want it to start passively earning me Piggy, so that way once I teach her about it, once she's comfortable with managing her account, I can give her 100 Piggies. I did do a giveaway and I gave away 100 Piggies to a subscriber for this, so I'm going to be doing these giveaways often. Now the next thing is, after that initial 100, once it adds up to another 100, I will be giving BUSD away to you guys. And I had asked that question in a video that I did with Piggy Bank Machine, whether you guys wanted a NFT or 100 BUSDs. And I got one comment. It said the 100 BUSDs, so that's what you guys are going to get. So once this thing hits $200 in referrals, I will give that out, that $100 to you guys, and I will make a giveaway for that, and I will leave the link for that giveaway in the description on my Twitter. So the next thing after that, once I get another 100, then I'll use that for myself to increase my minted BUSD on here. So that's just something extra for you guys. I just want to go ahead and tell you about that. Other than this, currently we're sitting pretty damn good right now at 1.78 cents. This grows maybe like 1 to 2 cents per day, and it's working, and it's working nice. Some people are making a lot of money from this. The referrals as well, thank you so much for those referrals. I really appreciate it. It helps me create more content for you guys and invest in other projects, because again, I don't want to invest in projects that I myself wouldn't put my own money into. So if this has brought you any kind of value, please consider subscribing. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well, so that way you guys get notified when I'm getting into NFT projects, when I am doing more giveaways for either BUSD or other projects that I'm getting into. I would love to hear from you guys as well. So again, until all are free, I hope you guys take care and peace out.